Good morning dear students. In this video we are going to discuss about food and water conducting tubes, xylem and phloem. It is a very important part of food transportation in plants. So let's start. All the parts of a plant are connected by two separate bundle of tubes, the xylem and the phloem. These tubes are present in the entire plant. Xylem and phloem help to food translocation in every part of plant and gives mechanical strength to the plant. Before going to start, we have to know about the transportation of food in plants. Okay? As we know that green plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, isn't it? So what is the term of photosynthesis? The process of preparing food using carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is known as photosynthesis. That is, we can say that for this process, plants require carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals. The leaves take carbon dioxide and sunlight from atmosphere, and the water along with minerals is absorbed from soil through the roots. It is then transported upward to the leaves of plant. As we can see through the picture that how it is transported. This is the root system and this part is the shoot system. The whole process of food translocation in plant is carried out by the conducting system xylem and phloem. Together they are called vascular bundle. Now one question is, what is xylem? Xylem transport water and minerals from the roots to the aerial parts of the plant. It absorbs water and minerals from the root to the aerial part of the plant. You see the picture. Xylem tissues consisting of 4 types of cells. Xylem tissues provide mechanical support to the plant. Next one is phloem. It transports food manufactured by leaves to the various parts of the plant. Phloem extend all along the length of the plant body. It also consists of 4 different types of cells. Like xylem, phloem also provides mechanical support to the plant. Okay. In our next video, we will discuss with the help of an experiment that how xylem and phloem help to food translocation in every part of the plant. Thank you. Bye.